Ready to ditch the tedious LinkedIn grind and turn your profile into a lead-generating machine? First, let's set up our Zap the automated workflow in Zapier. Choose LinkedIn as your trigger app. Select the trigger event new connection. This means every time someone accepts your connection request, the Zap will fire. You'll need to connect your LinkedIn account. Click Connect Account and follow the prompts to grant Zapier access. Don't worry, Zapier uses bank-level encryption to keep your data safe. Now, let's choose our action app. I'm using Google Sheets to track my new connections, but you can use your CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce. Select Create Spreadsheet Row. If you are using Google Sheets, here's where the magic happens. Map the data from LinkedIn to the corresponding columns in your spreadsheet. Link the person's name from LinkedIn to the name column in Google Sheets to the same for their profile URL. To automate personalized connection requests, let's add another action. Choose LinkedIn and select the event Send Connection Request. Craft a personalized message that resonates with your target audience. If you wish to automate messaging after connecting, add another action. This time choose LinkedIn and select the event Send Message to avoid sounding too automated. Add a delay step between the connection and the follow-up message. A delay of 1 to 2 days is generally recommended. And that's it. Test your Zap to make sure everything's working correctly. Now you can sit back, relax, and watch your network grow on autopilot. Track your engagement metrics in your Google Sheets or CRM. This way, you'll know what's working and what needs tweaking. Refining your outreach strategy over time.